Have you ever noticed how the mental load gets heaviest right when we're trying to reinvent ourselves? When we are in emotional transition, most of us, as older women, and especially those of us navigating reinvention, caregiving, hormone shifts, mental health challenges, or a major life pivot, carry an invisible load. The mental tabs never close. The self-doubt creeps in, and the pressure to figure it out alone is just baked into our conditioning. Today, I want to show you a different way, a gentler way, a way that lets you stay in your strengths while letting technology carry the weight it should have been carrying all along. This video is about using AI not as a replacement for your intuition or your wisdom or your lived experience, but as a supportive ally that helps you stay aligned and in touch with your resources. Using AI as a support can even help you feel more emotionally steady. Women in transition benefit from AI support because we often experience three predictable patterns: cognitive overload, too many decisions, too many roles, too many expectations; emotional labor, managing everybody else's needs while we suppress our own; identity fragmentation, feeling like we've shifted between versions of ourselves without a clear anchor. AI becomes powerful here because it offers non-judgmental structure when our brains are tired, instant clarity when our thoughts feel tangled, a place to externalize mental load so that we can breathe again. AI can be a mirror for our strengths when self-doubt is loud, or it can be a creative partner when we're rebuilding our voices or our work. Using AI isn't about outsourcing humanity. It's about reclaiming our bandwidth. But what does supportive ally actually mean? A supportive ally is not a boss, a critic, or a replacement for your inner way of knowing. A supportive ally can amplify your strengths, reduce friction, protect your energy. It keeps you aligned with your values. It can help you see options you can't see alone. When you use AI in this way, it becomes a stabilizing force, especially during emotional transition. It becomes the place where you can think out loud, have space to organize your ideas, rehearse your boundaries, or even map out your next steps without pressure or the need to perform. Here are 3 ways to use AI as a gentle, empowering partner. Number 1, use AI to externalize the mental load. Instead of holding everything in your head, you can unburden yourself from things like swirling thoughts, competing priorities, emotional overprocessing, unfinished ideas, scripts for different conversations. This creates instant relief and frees up emotional bandwidth. Number 2, use AI to strengthen your voice and visibility. Women in transition often feel like their voice has been diluted by years of caregiving and workplace politics, or even chronic self-silencing. AI can help you rehearse your messaging, refine your story, practice confident language, build clarity around what you want to say and how you want to say it. AI can become a safe rehearsal space where you can rebuild your voice without judgment. Number 3, Use AI to create alignment, not perfection. AI is not here to make you more productive. You already are. It's here to help you stay aligned with your values and your energy, your season of life, and your emotional truth. You can use it to check in with your intentions, design routines that match your nervous system and energy level, create boundaries that feel sustainable, build rituals that support your emotional resilience. This is where AI becomes a partner in your growth, not a task master. So here is the real transformation. When women use AI as a supportive ally, something subtle but powerful happens. You stop feeling like you must hold everything alone. You stop apologizing for needing support. You stop performing your strengths and you start living them. You stop shrinking your needs to fit other people's comfort, and you start reclaiming your voice and your clarity. AI doesn't replace your wisdom, it amplifies it. It doesn't override your intuition, it supports it. It doesn't tell you how to be, it helps you remember who you already are. So if you're a woman in transition, you deserve support that meets you where you are without judgment, without pressure, and without requiring you to be on all the time. AI can be that ally, not because it's perfect, but because it gives you space to breathe and think, create, and realign with the woman you're becoming. And that is the real power of using AI with intention. Thank you very much for watching. Take care now. Bye-bye.